Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on subtracting mixed numbers. Subtracting mixed numbers is done by following these steps. Change the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Use the normal steps for subtraction. Now what I've done to start off with, I've made the denominators the same in each case, just to make it straightforward, and then we'll move on to more involved ones later. So we have 7 and 4/5 minus 4 and 1/5. 5 sevens are 35, plus 4 is 39, so that's 39 over 5. 5 fours are 20, plus 1 is 21, so that's 21 over 5. Notice the denominators are all the same, so we just subtract the numerators. So 39 minus 21 is 18. So the answer is actually 18 over 5. Now we can convert this here to a mixed number. 5 into 18 goes 3 times because 5 threes are 15. There must be 3 left over, so that's 3 and 3/5. Now to check that those two are equal, see those two there, they have to have the same value. 5 threes are 15, plus 3 is 18, 18 over 5. So that is equal to that. It's always wise to check just to make sure. Next example, 10 and 8/9 minus 3 and 1/9 minus 2 and 2/9. All the denominators are the same. 9 tens are 90, plus 8 is 98, so that's 98 over 9. 9 threes are 27, plus 1 is 28, that's 28 over 9. 9 twos are 18, plus 2 is 20, so that's 20 over 9. So we subtract the numerators because all the denominators are the same. So we've done that here. 98 minus 28 minus 20. So when we do that there, we get 50. So that's actually 50 over 9. Now if you know your tables well, and I hope you do, 9 divided into 50 goes 5 because 9 fives are 45. 45. Now that gives you 5 left over. So the answer is 5 and 5/9. Now to check that these two are equal, they're exactly the same. 9 fives are 45, plus 5 is 50, so it's 50 over 9. So that is correct. So this video has shown us how to subtract mixed numbers. Very straightforward procedure, and we've done it when the denominators are the same.